Thank you for your love and response to my makeup tutorial videos. And today I'm going to show you one more look. So my looks are very experimental. My makeup tutorials are very experimental. I don't put a lot of thought into it. I just chose a different palette for today. I'm going to show you the makeup brushes that I am going to use. This is the filler brush. This is the lip liner brush which I use for the corner of my eye. And since all of you have been following my makeup tutorial, so you would know what this brush is for. It's a definition brush, a very thin brush. So you can see it's very thin. This is something very everyday. And this is the base I'm going to use, Benefit Pore Professional, which I think is a very quick 2-minute makeup. This is the Dior Addict lip tattoo, which lip tint, which I always suggest to every girlfriend. See, it's not a lipstick; it's just a tint, and it has a very cooling, calming effect on the lips. It has a minty effect, cooling effect. And this is the shade that I bought. There are a lot of shades that you can try, and I think I'm going to try another one too. Mascara I'm going to wear because it's just going to complement. Sephora, this is a eyeliner pencil, best foundation brush ever. Must try to keep your skin more porous, and always wash off your makeup. And I avoid makeup during the summers. I only use sunscreen with a little bit of foundation, just a tiny little bit. So let's start this shade. So I'm going to go with these 3 shades, okay, to match with this. So this is the brown shade that I've chosen, and this filler brush is very comfortable. It's so good for blending and applying makeup. Okay. Now I'm going for this golden look. Remember, you are supposed to highlight one corner of the eye. Okay, you can't like just keep applying the same thing over and over in the same area. Now because I'm wearing pink, so I'm going to go with this shade, okay, and I'm using the same brush and here, okay. Always use a brush. I highly recommend using a brush, and that lighter shade I can blend anywhere in the eye. See, now I have 1, 2, 3 shades, okay. And I did watch one of Aishwarya Rai's older interviews, and I saw Aishwarya Rai was big on highlighting her eyebrows from both the sides, bottom and top both. Aishwarya's old interviews, you will see that her eyebrows were always given a lift. It's recommended that I define my eyebrows. I'm going to do just that with the same eyeshadow palette. Of course, she didn't recommend the eyeshadow palette to be used for that, but I'm going to do that with the eyeshadow palette. See, define and not define. So yes, thank you for the tip. I'm going to start defining my eyebrows. Please make sure that you remove all the makeup properly once you are done with your event or your day. So the same eyeshadow palette that I use to define my eyes, I'm using to define my eyebrows. So this is this one corner. Don't pull your eyelids because my mom always used to tell me not to pull my eyelids, but I end up pulling them to apply kajal. I think all of us girls end up. So this is the pink, this thing, and this is how I'm blending. So the lighter shade up and then bring down the brush to blend it. Every makeup artist is going to have their own. So I'm trying this darker purple shade now, just over here. Every makeup artist is going to have their own way of painting things, just like a painter has their own different way of doing things, the strokes of the brush. Now I'm going to define the eyebrows, like I'm going to give a lift to the eyebrows. Getting a lot of I want more from all of you. So I'm doing this and my friends are like making fun of me. They are like, तुम सुबह उठ के ही मेकअप करने बैठ जाती हो क्या? हाँ, अब मैं करती हूँ सुबह उठ के ही मेकअप. I don't really need this brush for today, but this is a handy brush which I interchange, I mix it up. Dust off the extra dust from your brushes. And I did my eye look only with this brush today. It's a very nice brush. It's eyeshadow brush from Vega. It's cruelty free. So I did not need to use the other two brushes. Only this one has sufficed. And because I always ask you to define your eyes, so this Jik, it's like safe, and so is Shampoo. So this is, you must always give your eyelashes a lift. This is my Physicians Formula blush, which I really like. It's so light and it's blending. This is the Benefit Pro Professional, which was supposed to be applied as a base. So just a little bit. Just a little bit. I always do my compact as a last finished look. So, and I apply it generously.